What if your dance could leave the studio, reach the stage, and start working for you? Many dancers have ideas, movement, and passion, but don't know how to turn it into real choreography, a performance, or paid opportunity. My name is Anastasia. I'm a choreographer and dance educator. I know what it is like to adapt yourself and still bring your work from an idea to the stage. In this course, I guide you step by step, from your first idea to a finished dance piece. You learned how to structure choreography, work with meaning, film your dance, and share it with the world. By the end of the course, you won't just have knowledge. You'll have a real choreography, a video, and a clear direction for your next steps. This course is for dancers and choreographers who want to create, perform, and be taken seriously. Your dance deserves to be seen. Let's take it from idea to stage together.